So I just got back from Walmart and I picked up just a little bag of some celery because I want to make a special turkey salad, and some Vidalia onions. I have my yogurt, my Yehuda matzah, which I love, bananas, some egg whites, and some egg creations that I love. My mom picked up the yogurt from Costco for me. And I got the sugar-free almond breeze so I can make more of those delicious hot chocolates, that lattes. Some peppers, some apples. I like getting a big bag of broccoli, some shrimp. I like adding those sometimes to my pizzas or just to my stir fries, some green beans. I bought some fresh basil and some fresh rosemary because I thought that would be really nice for my turkey that I'm going to be making, a turkey salad. And I picked up some cucumber and some zucchini, and that's it. So just for some meal prep ideas, some groceries that I like to have. A lot of these are staples in my house. All kinds of fruits and veggies. I have a lot of protein, so I didn't buy a lot. I need to use those up. So you can get creative with a lot of these products, okay? And remember to subscribe, comment, share with other people, and have a great day.